What if the foods sitting in your kitchen right now, foods you eat every single day, are slowly suffocating your lungs? Most people with breathing problems never connect their diet to their airways. But the research is clear, and what it shows will change how you shop forever. Your lungs are under constant attack from inflammation, and the food you eat 3 times a day either fights that inflammation or feeds it. Today we are revealing the 5 foods that respiratory doctors say are the most damaging to your lung health after 50. 5 foods, each one more damaging than most people realize. Stay until food number 4, because that one is hiding in almost every American kitchen right now. Quick note before we begin. This video is for educational purposes only. Always consult your licensed physician before making dietary changes. If you are experiencing severe breathing difficulty right now, call 911 immediately. Food number 1, dairy products. Milk, cheese, ice cream, butter. For people with breathing problems, these are among the most problematic foods you can consume. And here is why most doctors never tell you this directly. Dairy contains a protein called casein. When digested, casein triggers your body to produce significantly more mucus, particularly in your bronchial airways. Research published in the Annals of Allergy, Asthma and Immunology found that dairy consumption directly increases mucus thickness and volume in people with existing respiratory conditions. If you notice increased coughing, throat clearing, or chest congestion after meals that include dairy, your airways are telling you something important. Switching to oat milk or almond milk alone has helped many seniors with COPD and asthma breathe noticeably better within 2 weeks. But the next food on this list surprises almost everyone, because most people think of it as harmless, even healthy. They are wrong. Food number 2, processed sugar and sweetened foods. White sugar, sweetened cereals, candy, flavored yogurt, packaged cookies. Sugar is one of the most powerful pro-inflammatory substances you can put into your body, and inflammation is the #1 enemy of your airways. When you consume processed sugar, your blood glucose spikes rapidly. This triggers an inflammatory cascade throughout your body, including inside your bronchial tissue. The NIH has directly linked high sugar diets to increased severity of asthma attacks and accelerated decline in lung function in adults over 50. Food number 3, fried and deep-fried foods. Fried chicken, French fries, donuts, anything cooked in reused vegetable oil. These foods are loaded with trans fats and advanced glycation end products, compounds that cause severe oxidative stress inside your lung tissue. Oxidative stress from fried foods damages the delicate cells lining your airways. Over time, this damage reduces your lungs' ability to absorb oxygen efficiently. A landmark study from the American Thoracic Society found that people who ate fried food 3 or more times per week had significantly worse lung function than those who avoided it. Food number 4, processed and cured meats. Hot dogs, bacon, deli meats, sausages, salami. These foods are loaded with nitrates and sodium, 2 compounds that directly damage your respiratory system in ways most people never expect. Nitrates in processed meats convert into nitric oxide compounds inside your body. These compounds trigger airway inflammation and cause your bronchial tissue to retain fluid, making breathing harder. Harvard researchers found that eating processed meat just 4 times per week increases the risk of COPD progression by 78%. Food number 5, alcohol. Even moderate regular alcohol consumption has serious consequences for your lung health that most seniors are completely unaware of. Alcohol dehydrates the mucous membranes lining your airways, making them thin, cracked, and vulnerable to infection. It also suppresses the immune cells that protect your lungs from bacteria and viruses. The CDC directly links regular alcohol consumption to increased risk of pneumonia, respiratory infections, and worsening COPD symptoms. Here is the good news. Every single food on this list has a healthier replacement that actually supports your lung health. Replace dairy with oat milk or almond milk. Replace sugar with fresh berries or raw honey. Replace fried foods with baked or grilled options. Replace processed meat with fresh fish or chicken. Replace alcohol with herbal lung teas. Small changes, dramatic results. Your lungs filter every breath you take. Give them the environment they need to do that job. Start with what is on your plate. Breathe easy. Live strong. If this helped you, please share this with a family member or friend over 60. They may be eating these foods right now without knowing the damage being done. And subscribe for a new video every week because your health after 50 deserves real answers.